Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program using Scala or scalable language to ask the user to give a string or a sentence, and then the program will count the number of vowels and consonants and display the results on the screen. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, new subscribers, and fan of my channel. Thank you for your support, for watching, leaving a comment, your likes, and most importantly by following my videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much sa mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino. Maraming salamat po guys sa inyong panonood. So if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Sir Ernel, and Ma'am Rubilin. If you want to be shout out, just leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial. Okay, so we have here vowels underscore consonant Scala, written by yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, and then my two websites where you can download free source code, www.jakearpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the second one is www.jakearpomperada.com. Currently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, so for development, you can email me at jakearpomperada@gmail.com. And then I wrote this program March 9, 2022 at 3:12 p.m. Wednesday, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. What is good about Java in Scala is that you can combine your code in Java to Scala. At least 90% of the code will be compatible. Import Java util scanner for input output. Object vowels underscore consonants. Begin. We have here div main args array string colon units. It is the starting point of every Scala program. Var input new scanner for input, and then we declare two variables here, var vowels initialized to 0 and consonants, and var equals 0. So you have here the print count vowels and consonants using Scala. New line, give a string, var line input, line equals line, we convert to lowercase. To lowercase is a function in Java. In Scala, to lowercase the given string or character, while a less than length var var ch line character a, converting to character, and then checking for vowels here. Okay, e, o, u, begin, and then increment. Else if between a to z consonant, and then increment the while statement, a equals a plus 1 end, and then we have here display results on the screen. Printf number of vowels, vowels, number of consonants, and then end of program, new line and end. One tip that I would like to share with you guys is some commands in C programming language is compatible to Scala, like printf and then skip sequence %d. Okay, so don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, let us run the code. Let us go to terminal, a new terminal. Okay, so Scala, in our command line, vowels underscore consonants Scala. Okay, enter string or sentence. Let's say Jake Pomperada, my name. Enter number of vowels 6, number of consonants 7, and of program. Another example. Scala programming language. So the string or sentence Scala programming language, we have the number of vowels 9, number of consonants 15, and a program. The reason I wrote this program is that not only for my upcoming book, but also I find some difficulty in finding this sample program in Scala to count the number of vowels and consonants from the internet. I'm glad I was able to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write a program that will count the number of vowels, consonants in a given string or sentence using Scala or scalable language. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video, guys. So I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Then please support my channel, guys, if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.